the indicators have 2 each. Don't get it. Alright people, back in the garage. I think it's a repairs video today, no upgrades, or maybe an upgrade, you don't know what's gonna happen. But I need to do some maintenance and fix this blinker that is not working, as you'll see. There you go, look at that, fucking one side is actually burnt completely off. Probably from the SC projects that were on before. I don't think it's these Van Diemen's. So yeah, I've got to sort that out, and I thought, you know what, I'll see if there's something I can do as an upgrade at the same time as a maintenance. Let's see what's on the bench. So as usual, let's get this small little package, unbox, see what's in it. Integrated tail light. Let's see what happens. So this is going to be a bit of a electrician's nightmare because we've just basically got a wire coming out with these. They give a plug, which is the OEM plug that goes on the bike, and fuck knows what these are. So I've got to get that on here. I've got to take that off, or maybe that's got to come off, I don't know. And then I have to take this apart to remove these because these look stupid. So that's the easy bit off. Look how much shit gets underneath there. And obviously there's my bod job, so I didn't have to mess around with the OEM harness. I'm going to check that wire because everyone says back there, in there should be the OEM plug. So I'm going to look for that now. So the seat is off, that little clip's off. I've actually took the tail tidy completely off, just left the wires there. So I think to get this rear light out, I think there's a torque screw there, which you might be able to see if the camera can zoom in. There's one there, and I think there's one on the other side. I think I'll take them off. That's what the diagram looks like. So see if that helps. Yeah, me being a dime bar, didn't even realise. Look, that one there. Fucking hell. So there's me pissing around moving everything up there, and there's that one there still to remove. God's sake. Right, so this is off now. This is completely away. Just held in by the plug, so I'll get that plug off. So the plug is actually round a little rubber grommet, which the rubber grommet is just wedged in there. So you literally just pull it out, and obviously that's now loose, so now I can disconnect it. So I've got the old one off, plug, and I got this one with the wires and the empty plug that I guess I've got to replicate these wiring orders the same as what's there, and then work out how I fit the indicators to these two. But I'll swap this cover over first. Right, so we're transitioned over. It only goes in one way, so don't be a tit. If it looks stupid, just flip it around. Okay, and now on to some electrics. So I followed the wiring in the same. So red to red, yellow to green, and black to black. So that's now wired on the new one. So I'll plug that in and see if that works. Right, I plugged it in. Let's just see if it lights come on. Oh, look, we've got some lights. Let's see if we can reach the brake lever from here. Okay, so it is a bit flimsy, this wire, so I might need to tape it down or keep it secure or something. So I don't know what to do about these indicators. Look, there's like obviously a left and a right, but the indicators have 2 each. Look, so don't get it. Right, so I thought if I could get the 2 of the yellow ones plugged into one left and right side and try the indicator. Look, we've got a flashing indicator. So what about to do about the other side? Do I connect that one to there as well? So apparently the mad wiring on my bike isn't going to work. So I'm a little fucked. So this thing will work. However, I think I'm going to have to put the fucking stock tail tidy on. I've had to give in. I've put this back together so it's got the smoke effect. So that looks good. And I've had to give in and got the big massive donkey cock. That will have to go back on there. But you see, look, these are my connectors. Look at my connectors, right? I don't know why this model has got these ones where everyone else has a single wire that comes out. So these will have to plug into the stock ones, which is why I never chopped the stock ones, because I can plug this back in as a little get out. So unlucky, half an install, okay? Let's say half an install. Just to show you why the eBay one died, because look, that's the filament in one side, and look, the other side with the heat and stuff has fucking melted it off, so it's completely bust. So obviously I've taken this part. This thing is fucked anyway, so the only thing I've got left is this mount, which I could probably still stick on the bike. So people, you don't always win, so you got to take the good days with the bad. The bad days means this fucking monstrosity is back on, but at least it gets me legal. I can carry on riding, everything works, and this smoke effect is working. The plug is a bit twitchy, I must admit. I might have to proper tape that up, you know, put that rubber plastic stuff all over it so it's sealed, but otherwise it's all right. So, yep, onwards and upwards, people. Onwards and upwards. Let's go.